3/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1/4 cup honey, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Mix that up really well. For my meat, I'm using eye of round beef. And I just need to trim off the excess fat before getting my beef jerky slices. Aiming for about 1/8 inch slices for beef jerky. Now time to add the slices to the marinade. Going to marinate the meat for at least 24 hours before dehydrating. And now after the meat has marinated, I can add those slices to the dehydrator. Going to dehydrate this batch for 4 hours at 160 degrees. If the slices don't come out looking like this, you might need a little bit more time in the dehydrator.